Well, we're halfway through July, and finally, some decent weather. It's mid-morning on the Frugal Gardener's homestead, and well, even the chickens are happy this morning. This is a preview of our final buy it or build it for this summer. I'm going to clean this container up. It's obviously a milk crate. You don't have a milk crate, you can use a clothes hamper. You can use a waste paper basket. Anything that has a structure but has openings, holes in it, you can use in place of these because these may be hard to find. So what we're going to do is line this. I saved the best for last because I started using these probably about 7 years ago, and every one of them is still as strong and sturdy as it was from day one. So I'm going to line it with material like this. It doesn't have to be like this, but this is the one that um, serves me the best. But on Friday, we're going to line this. We're going to fill it. We're going to use it. And I hope you come back to see what it is that I'm going to grow. And as I said, this will be the final buy it or build it for the summer. And we'll come back another time and do some more. So that's it for now. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and I'll catch you guys in a few days. Make it a great day. Go out and grow something. See you soon.